In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change resolution of image in Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly resize any image that you have on Windows 11. I'm gonna be using this image as an example, and I'm gonna show you the before and after. So all that you have to do is grab any image that you want to resize, and you will be able to use a tool that is already pre-installed in Windows to do this. I'm going to teach you how to do this through Paint. So all that you have to do is right-click the image and go into Edit with Paint. Alternatively, you can open Paint by searching for it on your Windows installation, and you won't be able to open the image. Now, of course, Paint is extremely simple. However, you will be able to use it to resize any image. And I want to make it very clear that if you try to resize it too much, then it is going to lose quality. Sadly, I won't be able to show you ways of preserving the quality in this video. This is something that you will need to do on your own time and look into alternative methods. However, resizing an image can be done very easily through Paint. So you can use the button here. So if you're going to resize and skew by pressing Ctrl W or clicking on this icon, and you will be able to change it. You will be able to control the percentage or the pixels. So for example, if I wanted to resize it and make it smaller, so 50%, I just included it to the horizontal and vertical box and then click OK. Now it is smaller. So if I copy this and I go back inside of this tool that I'm using for this video, you will notice that it is 50% or even more smaller. So I can go back inside of Paint and I can do the opposite. So I'm going to Ctrl Z, go over here again, and then I'll be able to make it bigger, 150, 150. You can unlink both of these boxes if you want to control them individually. So I'm actually going to do 150 for the horizontal and 200 for the vertical. Now, of course, like I mentioned, the more that you do this, the more quality it is going to lose. However, it is still a very convenient, simple, and quick way to resize any image that you have. And you can repeat this as many times as you wish. You can even resize an image that you have already resized. Alternatively, you can use the selection tool, choose a specific part of the image that you want to resize, and you will be able to control its dimensions like this. So choose whichever option you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to change resolution of image in Windows 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.